Good morning, children. This is Shival speaking. Children, we have been dealing with some chapters which are coming in exam in pre-midterm examinations. So we are already over with those chapters which are coming in exam. So here today in this video we are going to discuss about some questions, important questions of the chapters which are there in the examination, pre-midterm examination. So I've chosen a chapter that is rational number, which is one of the most important and interesting and useful concept we'll be needing, higher classes as well. So some questions, some selective questions from exercise 9.1, we can have a discussion. So children, the very first thing that I want you to know, what is rational number? Okay, so this is one of the mostly asked question by the students, and they have confusions. They cannot understand the basic difference between the rational number and fractional numbers. So let us understand what is rational number, children. So rational numbers are the numbers which can be uh, basically expressed in form of p by q. Okay, p by q means p can be any variable, q can be any variable other than 0. Q cannot be 0. Now question comes that, sir, we never see a number with denominator 0. Yes, suppose I can write 0 by 5. As I said, p can be any integer, so p can be 0 as well. P can be 1, 2, 3, 4, any number, any infinite number which have got positive or negative expressions. They can be written, but p cannot be 0, that's all. I'm sorry, q cannot be 0, that's all. P can be 0 as well. So 0 by 5 can be written, but 5 by 0 is absolutely invalid format. That gives us infinite number of expressions. So 5 by 0 cannot be written. Okay, it is actually 0 by 5. So 0 by 5 is a valid format, 5 by 0 is invalid format. So this 0 by 5, 0 by 6, 0 by 7, any number 0 by something can be written as, can be expressed as rational number. Now question is, can rational number be expressed on number line? Of course. Every rational number in this world can be expressed on number line. So if we talk about, suppose I'm choosing a number line that is minus 2 by 7. So now question comes that, sir, can we express this on number line? Yes, we can. If I draw a line, this is suppose 0, this is 1, this is plus 2, this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. Fine. So 2 by 7 minus 2 by 7, it's a negative rational number or a negative integer. Minus 2 is a negative integer, and this entire format minus 2 by 7 is this is an negative, this is a negative number. So this number, proper fraction but negative, we know that every proper fraction in the world comes between 0 and 1. So as this is a negative rational number, so it will come between 0 and minus 1. So children, denominator is 7. So that means what, we need to make 7 equal parts between 0 and minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 equal parts. First part is minus 1 by 7. Question is, children, why minus 1? Because it is towards left hand side, between 0 and minus 1. So this is minus 1 by 7, and the next one is minus 2 by 7. Okay, so the existence of minus 2 by 7 is in between 0 and minus 1. So this is how we express such rational numbers. If we talk about any other than this, suppose children, minus 7 by 4. Okay, minus 7 by 4. So how this number comes, like where this number exists, basically. Minus 7 by 4. Don't look at minus sign, children. Don't look at minus sign. What is the number actually? It's 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is what? This is an improper fraction. And we know that every improper fraction is actually another form of mixed fraction. Improper fraction can be expressed in form of mixed fraction. Every mixed fractions can be, bring back into improper fraction. Fine. So what is minus 7 by 4? I'm not looking at minus sign. It is actually 7 by 4. I'm just writing 7 by 4. Let us convert it into mixed fraction first. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 results 3. It is actually 1 3 by 4. This, remainder will be in the position of numerator, and this divisor will be in the position of denominator. So it's 1 3 by 4. Yes or no, children? It is 1 3 by 4. As there is a minus sign is present in front of 7, so I can write minus 1 3 by 4. Alright. Now, so by seeing this number, we need to understand where this number should lie actually. This number is, children, just forget about minus sign which is present in front of 1. Forget about this minus sign. I'm teaching in a very simplest way. This number comes between 1 and 2 because this number is more than 1 but lesser than 2. Suppose I said I have an amount which is more than 1 but lesser than 1 rupees but lesser than 2 rupees. So what are the numbers can come in your mind? It can be 1 rupees 10 paise, 1 rupees 20 paise, 1 rupees 30 paise, 1 rupees 50 paise. Yeah, like that. So all these numbers, whatever I have said right now, 1 rupees 10 paise, 1 rupees 20 paise, all these numbers are more than 1 but lesser than 2. Understand? So children, this is how we have to express. So as this number is holding minus sign, that means it should come between minus 1 and minus 2. I hope it's pretty understandable to everybody. Yeah? So it comes between minus 1 and minus 2. So as the denominator is 4, children, so we know it very well. We have to make 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts. First part is minus 1, 1 by 4. Next part is minus 1, 2 by 4. Next number is minus 1, 3 by 4. So this number is minus 1, 3 by 4. I hope it's clear to everybody. Please, children, try out these sums. Whatever the related sums you will find from this, concept, you will try out and you will submit this work in the Google Classroom positively. Your works will be corrected for sure. If there is any doubts and confusions, please feel free to speak to me. Okay, till then, thank you so much. Bye-bye, take care. Have a nice day.